shot.
4, we'll be there in about 3 minutes.
Now you got evidence against me.
Jim Gardner, got 184 Tim. 1497 to 184 Tim. Go ahead, one at a time. Timmy, a resident just told me that those hinge covers under the railroad tracks in Burnham are straight up in the air with water blowing out. If you got somebody you can send over there.
Are you videoing?
I got personnel going down under the bridge. There's going to be a truck down there to warn them to stay away. Just want to give you a heads up. Yeah, Jim Gardner, where do you want me to go? Get building a sign to set barricades up under that bridge.
Sirens.
To make matters worse, you're in the railroad track. Crossbars are down with no train coming 55th and Mobile.
Yeah. That's what my friend said. West Allis is going to float away.